Good afternoon, and thank you so much for joining us for this coronavirus HQ update. I'm Jordan FREMSTAD. We begin today with the COVID-19 numbers in Wisconsin. An additional 263 cases yesterday brings the state's total to more than 25,300. There were 5 additional deaths in the state. An additional 309 people have recovered. 24 new positive cases are being reported in La Crosse County, and new cases are also reported in Eau Claire, Monroe, Trempealeau, and Buffalo counties. A new resource gives Wisconsin residents more information about the spread of COVID-19 in the state. The COVID-19 activity level data dashboard includes maps and tables to show how the virus is impacting different areas of the state. Wisconsin DHS plans to expand the dashboard in the coming weeks to include data on additional indicators related to disease surveillance, healthcare capacity, and public health response. We have a link to that dashboard on our website at news8000.com. In Minnesota, nearly 33,800 people have tested positive for coronavirus, in addition of 304 more cases. Another 4 people have died, leaving the death toll at nearly 1,400. More than 29,700 people around the state have recovered from the virus. Winona County is reporting 1 additional case at this time, now with 100 cases confirmed so far. And in Iowa, nearly 26,500 people have tested positive, almost 100 more than last night. 2 more deaths are being reported to bring the total to 690. More than 16,600 have recovered from the virus. President Trump says America is winning the war against the coronavirus pandemic, but the nation's leading health experts disagree. This comes as the president is heading out on the road for campaign events and hosting foreign dignitaries for the first time since the coronavirus lockdowns began back in March. Skylar Henry has more details from the White House.
President Trump is defending his administration's response to COVID-19.
COVID. I say, what's the 19? COVID-19. Some people can't explain what the 19. Give me the COVID-19. I said, that's an odd name. But here's the story. We are going to be stronger than ever before, and it's going to be soon.
The president was speaking at a campaign event in Arizona, a state that reported a record number of cases Tuesday. The church in Phoenix was packed with people, most not following public health recommendations to wear a mask.
Plan A, don't go in a crowd. Plan B, if you do, make sure you wear a mask.
But the president said the country is winning the battle against the coronavirus.
We're doing so well after the plague. It's going away.
Dr. Anthony Fauci was less optimistic during a congressional hearing.
I wouldn't use the word prevail. I would say that we are still in the middle of a serious outbreak.
President Obama slammed President Trump's coronavirus response during a virtual fundraiser with Joe Biden.
Suggests facts don't matter. Science doesn't matter. That suggests that a deadly disease is fake news.
President Trump is hosting the president of Poland here at the White House today for the first in-person diplomatic visit since the pandemic began. The White House press secretary said the visit comes at a critical time for both the United States and Poland as we reopen our countries after months of battling the coronavirus pandemic. Andrzej Duda faces his own re-election contest Sunday. The 2 leaders are working on a defense deal to deploy thousands of additional U.S. troops to Poland. Skylar Henry, CBS News, the White House.
COVID-19 has forced many people to cancel their summer getaway plans, and that has local tourism experts urging people to take advantage of all the Coulee region has to offer. A study out of UW-La Crosse says people are still wary about traveling, but feel safer venturing out closer to home. And Explore La Crosse officials say there is so much to do in our own backyard.
We have over 100 miles of hiking trails, and also for bikes and mountain bikes as well. Great cycling for the roads. And, if people want to get out and enjoy that, you can still social distance.
Right now, availability of equipment at rental shops is still up in the air, so calling ahead to make reservations is a good idea. The La Crosse Public Library is making some changes to its services beginning Thursday. Modifications to the pickup, curbside, and drop box services are moving from the 9th Street entrance to the south entrance. In addition, if you request materials, you will receive electronic or phone notifications that the items are available. Plus, you will no longer need to schedule a pickup time at the main library. Instead, once you receive a hold notification, you can stop by during open hours. However, scheduling a pickup time is still required for the north or south community libraries. The library requires people to wear masks or cloth face coverings when entering the building. We have a full list of details about these changes on our website, news8000.com. Thank you so much for joining us for this coronavirus update. We hope you'll join us tonight at 5, 6, and 10. Have a great day.